In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to finish up your corset dresses like a pro. So if this sounds like something that I like to learn, go ahead now, like this video already, subscribe to this channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell so that you, my precious one, will be the very first person to know any day and any time I upload a new tutorial. Many of you complain that all the corset tutorials on this channel, there's no actual video showing how to finish up this hemline. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to finish up this corset hemline so that it looks so neat and fine. In order to do that, I'm using this band strip and it is about 1 inch. So we are just going to go ahead to stitch it right away. So first things first is that you turn the wrong side of your corset and you fold in your band. Fold in 1/2 inch, just the way you can see me do. Can you see that? And then you place it on your machine and top stitch. Remember that you are not doing this on the right side of your corset. You are not doing it on the front side of your corset. You're actually placing it first on the wrong side. And we have so many corset tutorials on this channel, which so many people have pointed out that there's no video showing how to finish up the hemline. And that is why we are actually doing this video. So after top stitching the starting point, then you now go ahead to now use about 1/4 of an inch to sew it along the hemline of your corset, along all the hemline of your corset. And when you get to the end, cut it in a way that you still have 1/2 inch to fold in, right? So you can see exactly how that looks. Then after stitching this part down, the next thing that you're going to do is to trim off the allowance. Trim off the excess allowance that you have, and also be careful so that you don't cut directly on the line that you have stitched. So just go ahead to trim off your allowance before you now flip it to the right side. So you can see how neat this corset is looking, and this finishing method helps you to achieve a very nice corset when you are done. And remember that the base of your dress has to be given, right? Then after doing this, you now turn the right side and then fold it the way I'm folding. So you fold it to white so that the hemline can go inside, and then the part that is now okay, you now place it on top of your corset, put it on your machine, and then you top stitch, right? Then after top stitching, you now use the same method to sew it all the way to the hemline of your corset. And just be careful when you are doing this so that you don't skip any part, right? Also remember that the registration for our corset class is still ongoing. Class is starting on the 15th of September and registration is stopping on the 14th. Registration fee is 15,000. Any registration after the 14th of September is going back to 20,000. All you have to do is to click the WhatsApp link in the comments and it will bring you directly to my WhatsApp, right? So now you can see exactly what we are doing. So when you are done sewing your corset, instead of flipping it with the lining on the downside, this particular method has proven to be better, in the sense that even if you are sewing your corset as a blouse, you can still use this method to finish it up. So when you get to the finishing part on the other side, just go ahead to fold it in. You can see the way I'm using my seam ripper to check that, to make sure that everything is okay. And then after I am done, just go ahead to now check if there is a part that you did not stitch, and then stitch it down. Top stitch on this part as well so that everything will relaxing nice and clean. Also top stitch on that other part, right? So at this point you are done finishing up your corset, and you can see the way it has already elevated the look of this corset. Can you see this, guys? This is beautiful. If you want to learn more of how to make corset, you can see how the inside is so fine. Just go ahead, click the WhatsApp link in the comment and join our upcoming corset class. And until my next video, guys, my name is Tekla. Bye. Subscribe.